In this video, I'm going to show you how to change WhatsApp voice message speed. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up WhatsApp app and then open up some conversation. Here I got single voice message, and in order to change its speed, all I have to do first is to hit right here at play button. Now I can tap on pause, or I can keep this message playing, and it shows up here speed of that voice message. Now it's 1x, and I can hit right here once to change it to 1.5x, or I can hit here again to change it to 2x. Then I can hit here to switch it to 1x, and I can do it even while that message is playing. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.